Greetings, ITCE 3200 students, and welcome back to Durham College for Fall 2020. I am sending you this email and video link to let you know how I plan to structure our course for the fall. So as I've posted in DC Connect on the course homepage, I plan to meet in MS Teams, and I'm sending you the link to the team that I've created for you for our class during the first hour-ish of our scheduled time based on your timetable. And in the second hour, then we will maybe have a little breakout session where I'll meet with groups of 5 or 6 students and just chat with you and find out if you have any further questions about the slides, activities that we're doing, or assignments. So I look forward to meeting you during our first class. For those of you who meet on Mondays, please be sure to view the slides that are posted and do the activities posted for week 1. And for those, and I'll meet you in week 2. And for my other sections on Wednesdays and Thursdays, I will see you shortly.